What's up? What's up? It's Jordan Martin with Martin Stock Club, Martin Investment Group. Here are three stocks I'm looking at for today, which is Friday, December 23rd, 2022. So we're going to kick it off with workday. I'm going to start off with the 1 day chart and then bring it back over to the hour. So first thing that stands out to me is we see that we have this heavy supply zone from earlier that flipped into demand. We know that support flips resistance often, supply turns demand. All right, when people used to be selling, they start buying. So we see we had the rejections, rejection. All right, we broke through off the earnings push, came back, treated this now as support, right, and got our move up, came back down. So now we came back here and we're looking at treating it as support again. I'm looking at workday for calls. It can be a swing, preferably a day trade, because now we're going into the weekend. But on a break of the high from the previous day, which is 168.53. Send alert for 168.54. I don't mind getting in immediately, really. Taking it up to target the next high, right? Next high was 172.42. Taking a stop at the open, so we can go ahead and hit 169.86 and then move up to the next high. Then we have a area we can trim at and an area we can take our profits at, or of course continue to let it run. And you can also swing it, right? When we switch it over to the 1 hour, you can look at that gap fill as well. You can see it a lot clearer. Gap fill is a potential target as well. Let's go to PG, Procter & Gamble. Where we see we have another gap fill, but it's not too far away. You see we have our supply up here where we're getting our rejections, selling off. All right, take it to the 1 day. We got ourselves an inside day with room to run back up. After we had a move up, kick down, and now we're looking at making a new move back up. So easiest trade would be to wait for a break of the previous high, which is 152.63. We go 64. And then we have our targets, right? Gap close, and then starting to retest the highs where we previously sold off around 154. Lastly, FedEx. Chart this one up with the team on Zoom tonight in my group. We were on Zoom for 7 hours. All right, so FedEx, we see trend line bounces coming in from the bottom. You see a trend line up here. So it's just an ascending channel starting to pretty much happen. And trading that, right? Bullish engulfing candle, looking for a breakup of the high. So 175.78, taking it up to fill gap first. And that gap fill will be at 178. And then we can look at taking out the high of that candle, 180.93, so about 181, before we start moving into this other candle and ultimately coming back up here, which could be the swing. All right, so this would be a decent setup for swings, as long as we don't, flip back out and close below these original levels or take out these lows. We can get a move up, start taking out highs and close above highs towards the end of the day, and it wouldn't be a bad swing in my opinion. All right, so those are three stocks that I'm looking at. Trade them, make some money, trade with us every single day, Monday through Friday, live in the Discord, calling out trades, live trading and teaching. Links in the description. Happy trading, happy holidays. Y'all make some money. Be blessed.